Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I got a quick update on both of the new Milwaukee M12 and M18 fuel vacuums, as well as the 3-inch cutoff tools that I told you guys in a previous video I had to take back. So let's jump into the video. I'll see you guys there. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. Alright, so previous video I stated and I showed you guys that the M12 fuel vacuum 0960 that I picked up yesterday, I had to take it back today because it was cracked. In the previous video I did give you guys a short update on it, and will be the video right before this one. I did show you when I took the 3-inch cutoff tool 2522-20 out of the box. It was missing the arbor and the Allen key, and I did take all of these back. I did exchange them out. This one does have everything it's supposed to. Instruction book. All the blades fell out. 1, 2, 3 blades. The tool, the Allen and the arbor, as well as your entry and your booklet. And there's actually there's 2 entries. There's this entry, and then there's the booklet has an entry on it. This one is a 10 tool entry. This one's a 4 tool entry. So those are there. It does have the blades. And they let me open all of these while I was there, so I didn't have to deal with this problem again. They did look at both of the vacuums and said, yeah, there's clear damage. We'll just replace it for you since you bought it yesterday. So everything is here. The box is empty. I'm gonna twist this a little bit, slide it up, pull the cardboard out. Like I stated in a previous video, this is going to be turned into a finger sander. So that's there. We're just going to start taking them out of the boxes since I did open all of them. According to the M12 model, it's 9.7 pounds. To be honest with you, the M12 model feels way heavier than the M18 model. I watch a channel, I don't remember exactly his name. Hold on, let me grab my phone real quick. On YouTube, his name is The Funny Carpenter. I'll leave a link up here for The Funny Carpenter. He did do a video on both of these vacuums, if I remember correctly. He did do a video on both of these vacuums, as well as he did a video with the Packout versus a Makita. So, that might be some interesting information for you guys. So let's pop it open. 9.7 pounds. The Packout one says it's 11.2 or something like that. It is 11.3 pounds for the Packout and 9.7 pounds for the M12. To be honest with you, the M12 feels more like 12 pounds and the Packout feels more like 10. But that's just me. So we're gonna pop this open. So this M12 vacuum, it did come with a booklet and an entry. So I'm not really sure, other than that I'm pretty positive that the first M12 one I bought that was damaged, I'm pretty sure it was actually used and brought back, because it didn't have didn't have a majority of what it was supposed to have. So this one is in good condition. Is actually way better packaged than the first one. There's no problems with this one whatsoever. There's no cracks. On the other one, there was a crack on this side all the way down. This one does not have any cracks. It's nice and rigid. This one, I'm assuming, was packaged by Milwaukee compared to the last one, because this one actually has the wall mount in here, and all of these items are plastic wrapped, where they were not plastic wrapped in the first one. When I opened the first one, they were all open like this. Like, there was no plastic on the hose, there was no plastic on any of the accessories. So this one definitely does look like it was brand new. You know, even the wall mount. On the other one, this piece was actually inside the bottom of the container. On here, it was actually up here, sitting around the housing, like this. So that's a plus. This one you can thread off. The M12 model you can actually thread off as well. Let me turn that, why it's flickering, I'm not sure. So you can unscrew it, which is nice, which means that the one that came in the M18 Packout, the tool adapter, you can thread onto this hose. I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna have to check out the older model suitcase vac, the 0880, and see if that one threads off too. I'd be kind of curious. So, get that one right there. I'm gonna pop this one open as well. Well, the video's doing pretty good. This one only came with the instruction manual, from what I could tell. It does not. Why the Packout version doesn't come with it doesn't come with the booklet or an entry, I'm not sure. It is what it is. This one is in a way better condition on the seams. They look a lot better. Doesn't look like this one was damaged in any way. So that's a plus. Could pop it open. This one does have everything that it's needed. This one is not, it's just like the first one I unboxed. The M12, the vacuum was in a bag, and Milwaukee normally puts every tool that they sell in some kind of bag. Even this one we just unboxed was in a bag. The bag's right there. But it's odd to me how this one's not packaged the same. Now the two tools are not in bags, but this piece is in a bag. And previous videos I did not mention how to install this guy. And all you do is you twist clockwise to unthread this head from the unit, and then you counterclockwise this guy, thread it on, and now you can attach, you know, your tools directly to this. You know, your miter saws, your table saw, your, you know, sanders and everything else. So that is a nice feature. Put this guy back on. And I just realized when I showed you guys that the M12 does it too. The M12 fuel model does it as well. I do agree with the Funny Carpenter. the funny carpenter thinks that these little clips are they're not thick enough. They don't hold the hose well enough. And I kind of agree with him. I don't think it fits well enough either. This, the top looks good on this guy. And the filter is in the bottom. And I also wanted to mention, put that guy right there so you guys can see what's going on. This hook right here is for a dust bag that physically hooks into this this port. So you attach the bag. They make bags for this version for fine particulate and dust. So you can physically attach the bag here and lay it in here, and this nozzle will physically shoot into the bag, which will also save your filter from getting so dirty so quickly. Just wanted to show you guys that. Okay. So everything looks good about this vac. Don't see any problems with it. On this side, it's the same as the M12. They did make it where you don't have to stick your hand inside the box to twist and pull. Simple as that. You can literally attach it to this side if you want to use it as a blower. And these are the hooks that I'm talking about that the funny carpenter also thinks aren't tight enough. And I kind of agree with him. So, twist and lock. Simple as that. You don't got to turn it so far like the older model, which is nice. That you don't have to turn it so far. Just slide in, twist, and it's locked. So these are definitely a lot easier than the original versions to do. I'm glad I did find another one of the cutoff tools. So there's basically this is everything I bought yesterday that I did all the videos on. This one I had to go take the other one back and grab this one. It was missing these guys right here, with which the Allen key isn't what was important to me. It was the arbor, because this allows different blades. This arbor actually allows you to use like Dremel blades and stuff like that, which is what I have on my original cutoff tool. I've been using a lot of Dremel blades. But just wanted to show you guys, I got everything replaced, no hassle, wasn't a big deal, didn't take a lot of time. I had to go all the way to Deep Chandler, almost Mesa, to find a store that had these two vacuums. A lot of the stores in Arizona do not have these vacuums. I literally found out that there was only 2 stores that had this one. The one I bought this from originally, and the one I replaced this one today at, with this one. This one is only at 3 stores in Arizona. 2 of them in Mesa, and one's in Phoenix, one's in Mesa, my bad. The other one is closest to me in Queen Creek. So, just wanted to give you guys an update. I do not know why. This one clearly looks like somebody damaged it, the original one that I took back. Because the accessories were in, one of the accessories, the mounting bracket, was in the bottom case, and this one is packaged inside the top. This one came with the pamphlet as well as the entry. Not really sure if anybody has had this same problem. Let me know. Did your Packout vac, did it come with the pamphlet and the entry? If it did, let me know, because I'll have to contact Milwaukee and let them know that I didn't get an entry or a pamphlet. If yours didn't, also let me know down below. That's about it today, guys. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I will do other videos on this. We're going to be putting it on a Packout. We're going to be putting some Packout items. I got some hole saws in a Packout case we're going to put on top of this and everything. I do appreciate you guys' time. Again, as always, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And also, I have at the top of the description below, I have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it will give you 10% off of your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my order at ulsatools.com next time. So if you guys use the link, it helps me out, it helps me save money, helps me bring tools to the channel when it comes to Ulsa Tools. I do appreciate you guys' time. I'm not really sure why the camera is flickering for whatever reason. I do hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll hopefully see you guys on the next one. Look forward to more videos on these vacuums and these cutoff tools being turned into finger sanders. Hope you have a great day. Peace!